Hi guys, it's Munene here from Film Graphics. Today I'm going to teach you about the easiest way to create a professional invoice or quotation. You don't even have to use a cent to get this done. You can get it absolutely free and very fast and effective and still look professional. So let's get going. We're gonna do it in Excel. So let's just open our Excel. So when you go to Excel, just click on more templates. Then just type invoice. Invoice. Click here. Okay, we have a lot of invoice templates to choose from, and guess what, all these templates, they are for free and you can use them even for commercial purposes. So you can use it as long as you have the internet connected. You can get these templates for free. So we're gonna choose this template, service invoice. You click here, then you see create. So when it opens, it will look like this. Look how beautiful this is. So what you have to do is just to customize, so to put your company information. So I'm gonna start with the logo. Just delete this. Let me put my own logo. Go to insert, then pictures from this device. So you can just go to where the picture is. So let me just check where I can get the logo of my company. Yeah, so let's go here. Then let's see what we have here. Okay, you look for something. Okay, I can see our logo is in there. Let me just take this picture. I'm gonna crop it. So let's go to picture format, then crop. Then let me crop it to the size that I want. Let me just move all this other information. Okay, I'm gonna just leave this design just to make my invoice look more professional and beautiful. So let's click on crop. Yeah, we have our logo here. So we're gonna resize it. Just drag on the corner. Don't drag it from the middle, it will squash your logo. Here also, don't drag it from here, it will squash your logo. So drag every shape or image that you drag in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, do it from the corners, not from the middle. Okay, now we have our logo, we have our title here. It's an invoice. Here, instead of putting the company name, because it's already here, I'm just gonna put our address, contact information here. So I'm gonna put our address 484. Okay, first and back. Here I'm gonna put our phone number, 4014694165. Then let's put our email here. Email info@filmgraphics.co.za. Then now let's go to our, here you don't really need to do anything. automatically it choose. You see this formula here, it take the date of that day. Automatically it will show the date of that day. Here you can put your invoice number, you can put a customer ID here. Then here we can put the information about the client. So you can just write the name of the client, company name, street, phone number, email. Then here this is the information about the salesperson, the job that was done, due date, payment terms. So this one, it has got 4 columns. We have a column for quantity, description, unit price, and line total. So when you put here, let's say we have 2 computers, unit price 500. So automatically it will calculate the total. So you don't have to sweat about how you can do that, because already it's there for you. So automatically it will calculate as well the subtotal and the total. So in case you are not using US dollars, you can change to put the currency for your country. For example, I am from South Africa, so I'm gonna just put our South Africa currency here. So you can just click and format cells. You go to currency, the symbol, you can just put the rand. There we go. So we can even put the symbol here, right click, click format cell, currency, put the currency. There we go. In case you want to calculate the tax, let me show you how to do that. You just put, for South Africa, our VAT is 15%. So you just put is equal to, then open brackets, then 15% of, you put it times this cell, then you close the brackets, you hit enter. So this is the text. Then here the total, our total is just simply this plus this. So because the format that was here, it was not including the VAT, the tax. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a new formula here. So I'll put is equal to, open brackets, this cell plus this cell, close brackets, enter. Now we have our total. So here you can change and put whatever information you want to put. If you want to put banking details, if you want to put the address, you want to put this message that say thank you for your business. That's all. So now we have our professional looking invoice. So when you want to do the code, you can just change here and put quotation. You change the invoice number to code number. Then that's all. So I thank you guys for watching, and please keep on subscribing to our channel so that whenever we have a new video, you will be notified. So you subscribe, then you click the notification icon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.